I just gave you a new arch. Alright, so we're going to do hack number 2.
Okay.
And she's got glue.
Glue.
Lucky she's already got a good brow.
Did you say you normally lick yours?
I do lick mine. It's the best hack of them all.
It's coming out
Oh, it is.
a lot finer.
Oh, you're going for the tail. What?
Yeah. Always go for the tail first. Yeah, it's quite good.
Oh, like feathering.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can see the strokes. Look.
Oh, you can. It's just going terribly wrong. Oh my gosh. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, shit. No, I just gave you a new arch. Or maybe, I don't know. It's alright. It goes like it matches your eyeshadow.
Gorgeous.
Can I have a look?
Okay, yeah, that's not too bad. Like, I was
definitely
expecting
better.
one to be a lot different than the other side. Don't know what to do on here, but
Yeah,
roll with that.
I like it. 2 out of 10. I could lick it for the same result. Saliva works better and it's faster.
Saliva's fine.
Why am I smiling with my thumbs down?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
The next hack we have is using mascara as eyeliner. So Em and myself are going to do one each on you, Gabby. Can you not watch, Gabby?
Okay.
I had a coffee this morning too, and I never drink coffee. So I'm like,
Oh my god, no!
Bring it here, honey.
Let me see.
Is it bad?
No, that's actually really good.
Okay.
Yeah, dries quick. So
Let me see. Oh, don't say shit.
open your eyes.
No.
No, it's not too bad. I've just got a little gap.
Is it
so
a
close?
Is it a wing? Did you wing it yet?
See, I've just got that little gap. What are you doing there, buddy?
It's good.
Amazing. I'm done. You nailed it.
Did you wing
You
it?
have nailed it. I'm done. She's very confident.
Oh,
Done and dusted.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, show us how it's really done. Smooth?
Oh, so you I literally had a little line of
Yeah,
product,
so I
but
find
you've got
if
bulk.
you put it on the back of your hand, you actually get a lot more.
Because it warms,
It
like,
warms
and then
it up,
you could
yeah.
Do
You know what? It's pretty good considering it's mascara.
It's like an eyeliner.
I feel like it would last.
I think it would.
It would.
It's
Yeah.
like waterproof mascara.
Waterproof mascara would be so good.
Look straight down.
Why are you moving away from me?
I'm just scared. I'm worried.
I'm actually really impressed with this. I find using the mascara, it thins out the brush as well. You know,
Actually?
like with the
Oh, because it like,
the glue.
You've got like a really steady hair.
Oh no, I'm shaking.
Can you not say that to me? I'm just gonna
I'm
walk
just
out of
a
here
bit-
looking a bit lopsided. That's okay.
Alright.
No.
Cool.
What do you reckon?
Cute. Yeah.
Yes, does it
I'm
look good?
impressed with
I
that.
need a
think it
mirror.
works.
Oh, okay. She's a bit droopy. She's a little bit like rounded on this side. Like she's kind
Yeah.
of like, she just stops a little
Yeah,
bit.
just
But
very good though.
Try one
hey,
out.
not bad. I actually, that's not terrible at all.
Gonna hit the ground running.
I like
Multi-using products is what we like, isn't it, Gabby?
100%.
And then you could do it waterproof or
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
even a brown mascara.
Yeah, brown would look
Brown
good.
looks so nice, yes.
Now